Hello, my peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. There always has to be at least one of them out there. And now, a special message from a very beautiful, intelligent, vivacious, young redhead.
Hey guys, this is me, Sawyer. I would really enjoy a hot meal on my table, so if you guys could help me out, you could buy some Girl Scout cookies.
Because your crazy math teacher is trying to help his daughter reach 1,000 boxes sold. So, I have Girl Scout cookies for $3.50. Just let me know what you want. And if you buy a box, I might just let you eat them in my class. Your MSAs, your homework is to get your test corrections done ASAP if you have not done them already. There is no EOC quiz today due to the short week. Your newest EOC review packet will be due a week from Monday, which will be March 4th. If you want to do a retake on your test, make sure you get it done before the end of the quarter, which is March 14th. Directions for retakes are in Blackboard under Announcements. Today's podcast is going to be on Lesson 8.1. So if you write Lesson 8.1 in your spiral, we are talking about rules or properties involving exponents. Rules or properties involving exponents. So one of our important rules that you should write down would be the product of powers property. Remember, product has to do with multiplication. So we're going to talk about a special rule that has to do with multiplication when we're talking about powers. And here's our rule. Please write it down. When you are multiplying powers that have the same base, you add the exponents. When you're multiplying powers that have the same base, you're going to add the exponents. Because if you don't, you're going to look like this guy right here. For my non-inclined football people out there, this would be a fumble because he jumped too soon and did not land in the end zone. Epic fail. So let's take a look at a couple examples using the product of powers property. And that would be p to the third power. Please write 7 to the third power times 7 to the fifth power. We are noticing that they have the same base. My base is the number that is written large. So they have the same base. They're both 7s. When we are multiplying, that's the product, we are going to add the exponents. We're going to add the exponents. So you're going to take your exponents, which are 3 and 5. You're going to add them together. 3 plus 5 gives you 8. So we would write the same base, which would be 7, to the 8th power. When you are multiplying powers that have the same base, add the exponents. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's take a look at this example. Write it on your paper. Notice that we have that invisible, not coefficient, that invisible exponent of 1. They all have the same base. They are all a 9. So we are going to add the exponents. So we add 1, 8, and 2. 1 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 8 plus 2 gives me 11. My base is 9, 9 to the 11th power. A couple more examples. I have parentheses negative 5, parentheses negative 5 to the 6th power. Notice that both of these are the same. Again, we have that sneaky, not coefficient here, but we have that sneaky invisible exponent of 1. We're going to add our exponents. We get negative 5 to the 7th power. And if you're thinking, Swedish fish for you, because you say, okay, Mr. Phillips, I see that it works when we're using the base that has numbers. Mr. Phillips, does this rule work when we have a base that is a variable? Excellent question, young grasshopper. Yes, it does. In this case, both of our bases happen to be x, that is the same base. We add the exponents. 4 plus 3 gives us 7, so this would give us x to the 7th power. Thanks for watching. Bye.